ClickBank Affiliate Network full review: features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and top products are in the description. Now, let's get started. ClickBank is one of the oldest and most well-known affiliate networks, specializing in digital products like ebooks, courses, and software. It's designed for affiliates who want high commission rates, often ranging from 50% to 75%, making it one of the most profitable networks for digital marketers. Unlike traditional networks that focus on physical products, ClickBank connects affiliates with digital creators, allowing for instant delivery and higher margins. One of ClickBank's standout features is its ease of use. Signing up is free, and the approval process is quick, with no strict requirements. The marketplace is well organized, showing detailed stats like gravity score, which helps affiliates choose high-converting offers. Another key feature is recurring commissions. Many products offer subscription-based earnings, meaning affiliates get paid month after month for a single referral. ClickBank also handles all transactions and refunds, so affiliates don't have to worry about customer support. Now let's talk about strengths. ClickBank's commission rates are some of the highest in the industry, making it a great choice for affiliates looking for big payouts. The marketplace has a wide variety of niches, including health, business, and self-improvement. The platform also offers weekly or bi-weekly payouts, with multiple payment options like direct deposit, PayPal, and check. Additionally, ClickBank University provides training for affiliates who want to improve their skills. However, there are weaknesses. Since anyone can list products on ClickBank, quality control can be an issue. Some products are low quality or overhyped. Affiliates need to research offers carefully to avoid promoting poor products that could harm their reputation. Another downside is ClickBank's refund rate, which can be high for certain niches, reducing overall earnings. Additionally, while ClickBank is great for digital products, it lacks a strong selection of physical goods compared to networks like Amazon Associates or CJ Affiliate. So, is ClickBank worth it? Definitely. If you're focused on digital products, high commissions, and recurring revenue, it's one of the best options available. Just be selective with the products you promote. Check the links in the description to sign up and start earning today.